12, 11, 10, 9. Ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff. 32 minutes past the hour. Liftoff on Apollo 11. Tower cleared.
We got a roll program. Neil Armstrong reporting the roll and pitch program, which puts Apollo 11 on a proper heading. Plus 30 seconds. Altitude's 2 miles. Roll complete and engine program.
I was 9 years old at the time, and we were taken out of our normal classes to go into the auditorium and watch the event live on television. And this television, it was a bit like the spacecraft itself, which landed on the moon. It was on these long, thin, metallic legs.
One Charlie. Cliff Charlesworth taking a staging status. This is Houston, you are go for staging.
I was with a student group in Leningrad, and it seems to be extremely strange now. I wasn't in the slightest bit interested. I went for a walk that evening and then went to bed.
We're looking at the eastern Pacific Ocean, and the north half of the top half of the screen, we can see North America, Alaska, United States, Canada, Mexico, and Central America. South America becomes invisible.
At this time I was very occupied by a new holiday girlfriend, so I almost missed the moon landing show.
It was like a fairy tale. We imagined that it would happen, but we had no proof. It could also have been a movie, so we were very amazed about this thing.
I think somehow for us, history stopped with black and white. So probably the moon landing was, with the Vietnam War, perhaps the last or the most powerful images of history with a big H, history that looks like actually it's the past.
And I remember we all went to the window and looked out hoping to see the moon and just imagine somebody standing there. But I'm afraid it wasn't the case because being in England, it was very cloudy and bad weather. We couldn't see anything.
My first memory of the moon landing is that my first Lego was the spacecraft that landed on the moon.
Okay, all flight controllers, gonna go for landing. Retro, go, Idaho, go, guidance, go. Capcom, we're go for landing. Eagle, Houston, you're go for landing, over. Tranquility Base here, the Eagle has landed.
The only disappointing thing was that I thought the moon would be shining up there.
And I've always had this question as to how they could film Neil Armstrong coming down the ladder of this lunar module when there was obviously no cameraman there. I guess a robot put it there, but I really don't know.
It was a wonderful warm night. Everybody was sitting around a small bar drinking Spanish wine. And somebody started talking about the moon landing, and we all stared at the moon and wondered what would happen.
If political leaders, presumably led by Obama, challenged the world's scientists to come up within 10 years for a solution for the problem of energy and to wean the planet off oil, I think it could be possible.
That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.